Today, let's take a moment to celebrate one of the most iconic vehicles in film history, the DeLorean time machine from Back to the Future. Designed by John DeLorean, this stainless steel beauty isn't just a car, it's a symbol of adventure and innovation. In the movie, Doc Brown transforms the sleek ride into a time machine, powered by a flux capacitor and requiring a mere 1.21 gigawatts to travel through time. From the moment Marty McFly steps inside, we're transported on a thrilling journey that challenges the past and shapes the future. So, here it is, a fantastic collectible, the 1/24 scale die-cast model of the DeLorean time machine by Welly Toys. This model captures the magic of Back to the Future and brings it right into our hands. One of the standout features is the attention to detail. The sleek, stainless steel exterior shines with authenticity, and the iconic gull-wing doors open to reveal a meticulously designed interior. You'll find the time circuits, control panel, and, of course, the iconic flux capacitor. But what truly sets this model apart is the inclusion of the Mr. Fusion power reactor. This innovative addition not only adds to the authenticity but also serves as a reminder of the film's imaginative vision of future technology. This die-cast model is perfect for collectors and fans alike. It's not just a replica, it's a celebration of creativity and adventure that continues to inspire us all. So let's celebrate this stunning tribute to a classic, reminding us to dream big and embrace the possibilities of the future.